In this video we are going to discuss about multimedia tags, and firstly we are going to see difference between before using multimedia tags and after using multimedia tags. We are going to see the importance of that multimedia tags in this video. Let's get into the topic. See, in this image we are going to get the difference between the text which we used before multimedia tags, and when we use this multimedia tags we are going to get some visual representation. So when we use this multimedia tags, in this picture we have before image element, and after image element the content is going to get like this. Before using this image element we are going to get a simple text, right? We are going to represent the content by using simple text. So when we want to read, or when we want to get some attraction to read that one, if we get this simple text, we are not going to get any interest to see that image, or to read that content, right? When we see that same text or any other things, when we see that by representing image, we are going to get some visual attraction. So when we see that one, immediately we are going to get some interest to read that one, or and also we are going to get some clarity while using this images, audio or video by using these multimedia elements. See, here we only have some plain text, and while using this by using image representation, we are going to get some attraction or some other things, like we are going to get clear view of that representation, right? And also when we use this audio HTML element, when we see this one here, nature and its sounds, by using this one we are not going to get some sounds. We are not supposed to hear that sounds, right? To hear that sounds, we are supposed to add audio element, right? And while using this video, we won't get any interest, or if we take our classes only, example for our classes, if I only keep text like this, without these tables and all, without any images and all, it's going to get some more content, some more classes, right? When we add some images or some visual representations, or when I explain, you are going to get some interest, right, by seeing these videos. If you are supposed to read only the content, you are not going to get any that much interest, right? So for this we are going to use this multimedia elements in HTML. So now we are going to get into the topic. HTML multimedia. HTML multimedia refers to different types of media content that can be displayed or played on a web page. As we know, we are going to get some media content, that is images or audio or video. We are going to display or play that content on our web page. Multimedia makes web pages more attractive, informative and visually appealing by combining text with images, sounds, videos and external media sources. So with plain text we are not going to get much interest in our topics, right? So by using this media like images, sounds, videos with text, we are going to get some visually attractive, appealing content, right? So common multimedia elements include images, image maps, audio and video. And as we know, multimedia element means images, audio, video and image maps. I will explain those things. Why use multimedia? Multimedia helps to, as I previously mentioned, we are going to get some user engagement by using these multimedia elements, and also we are going to get some entertainment value. If we get some more user engagement, we are going to get some entertainment value also. We can explain the concept clearly by using this multimedia, and also present information more attractively, more effectively. We can with text we are not supposed to get some much effective explanation, right? If we add some images or audio or video, we are going to get information more effectively. So create interactive web experiences, enhance web design. If we want to have our website enhancively, so we are going to use this multimedia elements. HTML images. Images are visual elements displayed on a web page. HTML uses the image, that is img tag, to insert images. It's going to use to get visual elements display on our website or web page, whatever we want. The image tag is an empty element, meaning it does not require any closing tag. So we don't have any closing tag for this image element, and we don't have any content to add after this open tag. So we only contain that image tag only contain open tag for this image element, and also we are having some attributes. So that's why we are calling this as empty element. Here we have image src. For path we are going to use this src attribute, and also alt attribute we are going to display some text. When the image doesn't load, we are going to get this text in the place of our image, right? Main attributes of images. Some of the main attributes we use in our image element are src, specifies image location, that is the path which we are going to give in our image element. Alt attribute means alternative text if image cannot be loaded. Width sets image width. We are going to use height and width attributes for to get the height and width of the images. Title, display tooltip text. I also explained this tooltip text in previous video. Go and check that one. It's going to clear your doubts. Example, image. For image we are going to give some path and alternative text. Setting image size, we are going to use this height and width to get width and height of this. Here we have these examples, right? I will also explain this one with example. Why use alt text means helps visually impaired users. Appears when image fail to load. Improvisability, helps search engines understand images. When we have to search image, we are going to get that image is going to represent some text. That is, if we want to display flower image, we are going to give some alternative text like flower text. So if the image is not loaded, the text which we have mentioned, that is flower, is going to display in the place of image, flower image. So I will show this example by Visual Studio Code. I'm going to take image element, right? I'm going to give some path, that is, see here, when we add this dot / we are going to get the folder which we are present. If we take a // we are going to get the folder beyond after we are going to exit our present folder and we are going to enter into other folder. So I will explain that one. See here, here we have flower in our D drive only. So we have that program in our also in our D drive only. So I am going to give // so that we can get that flower image in that folder only. Okay. And also I will show you some one more example. I have the same flower image in our notes one also, or notes folder also. So I will show you this here. See, // here we got notes, right? In notes we have HTML notes folder, right? Here we have HTML folder, notes folder also. In this HTML notes folder we have this flower image. So when we give this // we are going to get the present folder. If we get after that when we add this // we are going to enter in that folder. In notes we have HTML folder. While keeping another // we are going to enter in that folder, and in that folder we have flower.image, flower image, right? So I'm going to open that example. See, we got image of that flower, right? I will give some random wrong path, and I am going to give alt attribute is equal to flower image, right? I'm going to give some other name. This image doesn't present in our folder, so the path is incorrect, so the image doesn't load. On the time we are going to get this alt text, right, which we wrote in this alt example, alt attribute. Now I am going to give the correct path, and I am going to give height and width for this. Height is equal to 100 pixel. For this height and width we are going to use pixels, and also we can use percentage also. By practicing we are going to get this master in this pixels and percentage. So 100 pixel, right? See, we got the image in 100 pixels height and 100 pixels width. I will increase this width 300 pixels. You can see the difference. The width got increased to 300 pixels, right? These are the attributes which we are going to use in image element. Now we are going to see about image maps. Image maps means when we see the world map, so or other for location we are going to see some maps, right? So for in that we are going to locate some location. We are going to get one, not only one, we are going to get some 3, 4 or other numbers locations. So when we click that location we are going to get the region in that particular place, right? To represent that locations and all, we are going to use these image maps. An image map divides a single image into multiple clickable regions. So when we take a world map we are going to get some image like this, right? So when we click some place like Punjab, we are going to get the places in Punjab. Like that in one image we are going to specify multiple regions or multiple places and all. Different parts of one image can perform different actions. So when we take world map we are going to have more places. In Punjab we are going to have some more places. In Hyderabad we are going to have some more places. In Guntur we are going to have some more places. When we click Guntur we are going to get particular places in that Guntur only. When we click Hyderabad we are going to get some particular places in Hyderabad. So when we click the region we are going to get some the regions or the functions which we have in that particular place. For that we are going to use these image maps. Real life example, imagine a world map. I also mentioned this one in previously. Clicking India opens Indian page. Clicking Japan opens Japan's page. Clicking USA opens USA page. Like that when we click the region we are going to get whatever the regions we have, right? Image map structure. Image map uses image, map and area tags. Example, when we take this map for image we are going to get the image which we, if we take world map looks like this, right? That image we are going to place in this one. Map name is equal to world map, the name which we have to mention. And area, for this area we are going to have some attributes like shape, in which shape we want that image we are going to specify here. Chords means the longitude and latitudes, the coordinates which we have to mention for that image. And H reference means I also mentioned this one, here we are going to mention the URL of destination file. which we have to move. So important image map attributes: shape defines clickable shape, also mentioned a shape. Coords means defines coordinates. H reference means destination link. Alt means alternative text. Image map shapes means this one. We have rectangle, circle, polygon. So when we create this rectangular clickable area will be visible. When we create this shape is equal to circle, we are going to get circular shape. And when we create polygon, we are going to get some custom shaped clickable area. And now we have HTML audio element. Audio allows a web page to play sound files directly inside browsers. So when we add this audio element, we are going to get some audio elements. That is, if you want to listen some bird sound, we are going to add this audio element. By using this audio elements, we are going to add that bird sounds, or we have to listen some songs and all. We are going to use this audio, right? Why use audio? Audio is useful for music players. If you want to listen some music, we are going to use this audio. Podcasts, for podcasts also we are going to use this audio. Voice instructions, if we want to listen something, we are going to use this audio. Learning platforms or notifications, whatever the thing we want to listen, we are going to use this audio element. Basic syntax: audio controls. Here controls are attribute. Why we use these controls means, if we want to get some pause button or play button, we are if we want to get some speed up, if you want to listen that audio in 2x speed, for to get all those things, we are going to use these controls. Source is equal to src. Src means here we are going to give some that path, right? Audio controls, these are the controls which we use for audio. Play button, to get a play button, that is, if we want to play, we are supposed to get show that button, right? For that we are using this controls attribute. While using these control attributes, we are going to get all these attributes, all these things. So example: audio control song.mp3, right? I will show you this example. Audio attributes: controls shows player control, autoplay starts automatically, loop repeats audio, muted means starts the audio going to start with mute. By using this mute, we can get the audio by starting with mute only. Preload means loads audio before playback. These are the attributes we are going to use, right? I will show you this in example. See, here we have image, right? Now I am going to take audio element. In this we are going to have source attribute, source src, that is, we are going to give some path. I am going to give some random path, mp3. And type, we are going to mention type here, audio or mp3, the type of the audio, right? And here we have to mention controls attribute. Then only we are going to get this one, this audio, right? We are going to get this play button, and we can get playback speed by using this controls attribute, right? If I am giving some loop attribute, the audio will going to get by loop. If this audio ends, again it's going to repeat, right? And now when we mention this autoplay, it starts automatically. We are not supposed to get to press again this start button, okay? And when we use this muted, it's going to get by muted only. We are not going to get this audio by default. Now I am going to show explain about this HTML video element. Video allows moving visual content to be displayed directly on web page. So if we this is going to get a visual representation of moving content, right? The video tag is used to embed videos. To include videos in our website, we are going to use this video tag. Why use video? Video helps demonstrate products. If we want to explain about products visually, so we are going to make some video of that product. By showing that product, we are going to explain about the things about that products and all. Deliver tutorials. For deliver tutorials also, we are going to use this video element. Share presentations. While sharing these presentations, we are going to add these videos. Increase engagement. This is also going to increase our engagement in website. Explain complex topics is visually. So if we want to explain the topics visually, we are going to use these videos. Basic syntax. For this video also, we are going to have these controls to get same that mute option, playback speed and all. We are going to use this controls attribute. Source is equal to this one. Example, we have this one. I will show this example in VS Code. Video attributes for controls, display control, video controls with for this video we are going to have height and width poster extra while compared to audio element. Width and height is going to set the size of the image, the size of the video. For poster, we are why we use this poster means preview image, that is for thumbnails. We are going to use some thumbnails to our video, right? For that we are going to use this poster attribute. I will show you example. See here, I am taking video element. For this we have to take controls attribute, right, to get controls of that video. Source src attribute. In this src attribute we are going to give some path, movie.mp4. I am taking some random path, mp4. For videos we are going to add this .mp4 extensions. And type, I am going to mention the type is equal to video / mp4 type, right? So see, we got video, right? I will mention width also. Width is equal to some 100 pixel only. See, the width got decreased. I am taking 500 pixel. See, the width got increased. So that we are going to give some height, width and all. We also use this poster for thumbnails and all. And for autoplay we are going to use this autoplay attribute. We have some types in this video form. We have some formats for this video element. Video controls type is equal to video by mp4. For mp4 files we are going to use this type. WebM for WebM files we are going to use this type is equal to this one, this attribute. So that's all about multimedia elements.